It's early Labor Day morning. I'm headed to my fishing spot. See if I can get a porgy, because I want to do a catch and cook. All I need is one, so once I get that one, I'm going to head back to the house and chef them up. I think I got it. This is a tiny sea bass. Let me get my pliers and let you go. Keep a tenant all day. Alright, mission accomplished. Got a porgy. Now it's time to go chef them up. Now it's time for the catch and cook. Put a little bit of flour in the bag. You don't need a lot. A little bit more. Add some of the honey garlic rub. Smells good. Smell that. Need a lot of that. That honey amass some of that fishy taste. A lot of people don't really like. And then shake it. Make sure you get that inside. If it was a really fat one, I would score it, but you don't really need to score this one. Now I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes. Then I'm gonna heat up a cast iron pan and crisp it up. Alright, my oil is hot. So I'm gonna put this porgy on the frying pan. Come on, skillet. We're going to sear for about 5 minutes on each side. Then I'll check back in. Let y'all know when I'm ready to chop it up. I made a mistake early. I said 5 minutes. We're doing 3 minutes. 3 minutes. It should be done. I flipped it. Now we're going to let it sit down on this napkin, drain some of that oil out, get some hot sauce. Then we're going to dig in. I used the cast iron skillet to put this nice crust on the outside. Now let's dig in. Oh, that look good, don't it? Put some hot sauce, the way I like to eat it.